Number 2, in order to be productive, have a mindset that it's not just about your technical skills. It's also about your environment. Kahit gaano ka kagaling at gaano ka kasipag, if your environment is so tempting, mahihirapan kang magtrabaho. Agree? Yes? So for example, if you are into stress eating and you want to avoid eating too much working from home, raise your hands if you agree that ang kalaban mo working from home sometimes is that you end up eating a lot. Yes? Yes? So what happens? Sometimes ang ating workstation nasa tapat ng kusina. Sometimes may workstation tapos nakapipiligilin ng mga chichirya. You really end up eating. So one way, and this might be easier said than done, is to take it away from your line of sight. Out of sight, out of mind. Same thing also with your anxiety or your stress. If you keep on working in your bedroom, you will associate your bedroom as a source of stress. So if you have an opportunity, I know I might be saying this from a place of privilege, try not to use your bedroom as the workstation. Look for another place in your home where you can channel the feelings only in that area as well. I had an opportunity to visit the headquarters of Google in San Francisco a few years back. It's interesting kasi di ba sikat sila because their food is for free. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sila, lahat ng chichirya at lahat ng mga chocolates and sweets, either nasa taas ng cabinet or nasa baba. Lahat ng mga healthy food nasa gitna. Why? The easier it is for them to get it, likely they will get it. Now it's harder to reach down or above. They have lesser effort, lesser will or temptation to also get it.